So Remarkable Woman in AI started probably 2.5 years ago or something like that. I did Zoom sessions to connect AI experts from Silicon Valley to Europe, or actually all over the world, but focus on Europe, with the Transatlantic AI Exchange and the monthly Zoom sessions.
With me participating in this conference, I want to make sure that we understand the implications of the decisions that we're making today and participate in making our systems more inclusive and scalable for our generations.
I'm really excited about how women are still innovating and being at the forefront of technology, and that there's so much support for women to get in the industry and feel confident in their knowledge and their abilities.
Today I have a journal where I've just been collecting a bunch of notes, and I probably have notes from every single panel, and I'm gonna have to go home and try to process what I wrote, because every single panel here has provided such insightful information of people who are actually in the industry, actually creating impact, but not just like driving impact in the AI industry, but also actually breaking barriers for people like me and other women in this panel.
What it means to me to be a part of this event is the ability to meet and connect with other incredible women and allies that are passionate about this space and advancing AI for good.
In the session today, because it's a room full of intellectual people, highly qualified veterans, part of the discussion today. It's a great learning to be here. It's amazing how women leaders who are actually pivotal and and positioned in great companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google.
The value of research done in institutions, OnePI is one of the examples. 10 years long research in trustworthy AI, and how that has become a leading startup in the field of trustworthy AI, which is super important, as we have seen today in the panel and in different panels, has been over and over mentioned, how important it is to make sure that there is no bias, that there is no issues with AI that we are dealing.
Inclusive AI is every person's responsibility within an organization, and that it's up to every individual also to ensure that they're asking the right questions and thinking critically about whether or not what we're building truly is inclusive and can appeal to a wide range of people with a diverse skill set. I think that's super important, especially as AI continues to evolve, that we keep that in the forefront, that we have to think about multiple audiences and not just one.
The buzz and so much distraction around AI because things are changing so fast. I would like to say that if you believe strongly in your idea or in something, and if that's not necessarily part of the buzz, stick to your gut feeling and don't get distracted. It'll phase out and you'll be fine.
So the benefit of being older is that you can see patterns, and every time I have been in a boardroom with all men, the decisions are just simply inferior. When you add women to boards, not only does it feel anecdotally better, but the data is there. When women are on boards, corporations do better. When women are in teams, teams do better, the organizational teams inside of companies. Right now, 25% of users of AI are women and 75% men. The unequal distribution of wealth, power, decision-making, control over your life between men and women are going to be exacerbated if women do not use AIs, because AIs are transforming everything.